Today, we will talk about the story of two global conflicts that changed the course of history, World War I and World War II. Ang pagpatay kay Archduke Franz Ferdinand ni Gavrilo Princip noong Hunyo 28, 1914 ang sinasabing isa sa mga sanhi ng World War I. World War I, it was a war of trenches, machine guns, and new technologies like tanks and airplanes. Mga sanhi ng unang digmaang pandaigdig, militarisasyon, alyansa, imperialismo, nasyonalismo. Militarisasyon, pagpapalakas o pagpapaigtig ng sandatahang lakas ng isang bansa sa pamamagitan ng pagpaparami ng armas at sundalo. Militarisasyon, nagsimulang magtatag ng malaking hukbong pangdagat ang Germany, ipinalagay na ito ang tahasang paghamon sa kapangyarihan ng Inglaterra bilang reyna ng karagatan. Alyansa, isa o higit pang kalipunan o kasunduan ng mga bansa o partido na sumusuporta ng isang programa, paniniwala o pananaw. This alyansa is called the Triple Alliance, which consists Italy, Germany, and Austria-Hungary. This alyansa is called the Triple Entente, which consists Russia, Great Britain, and France. This is the map of Europe in 1914. Please carefully observe the map. Imperialismo, isang patakaran o paraan ng pamamahala kung saan ang malalaki o makapangyarihang mga bansa ang naghahangad upang palawakin ang kanilang kapangyarihan sa pamamagitan ng pagsakop o kontrol ng pangkabuhayan at pampolitikal sa ibabaw ng mga ibang bansa. Nasyonalismo, tumutukoy sa masidhing pagmamahal sa sariling bayan o bansa. Ito rin ang ideolohiyang pampolitika, bumubungkos sa isang tao sa ibang pang mga taong may kapareho na kanyang wika, kultura at iba pa.
The war ended with the Treaty of Versailles, which imposed harsh penalties on Germany.
This led to a widespread resentment and created an environment in which extremist ideologies like Nazism could flourish. Now we are talking about World War II. What was World War II? Fun facts: largest war in human history, and it involves countries, colonies, and territories around the entire world. By the end, over 70 million were dead. It lasted from 1939 until 1945. Causes of World War II, WE, and the Treaty of Versailles. A for appeasement, R for rise of totalitarianism. World War I and the Treaty of Versailles. Germany lost land to surrounding nations. War preparations. Allies collect money to pay back war debts to US. And Germans are bankrupt, embarrassed, guilt-ridden, and angry. Desperate people turn to desperate leaders. That is a fun fact that is very true. Appeasement, giving people something to make them happy and leave you alone. Hitler demanded land that wasn't Germany's and others just gave it to him. Nations were trying to prevent war. It didn't work. Isolationism. Appeasement just showed Hitler that he could do whatever he wanted. This photo is an example of appeasement. Rise of totalitarianism, a system in which the state and its leader have nearly total control. Individuals' rights are not viewed as important as the needs of the nation. No right to vote, no free to speech, government-controlled economy, often a police state. This four is a well-known dictator. What is fascism? Political belief that says the individual is less important than the nation. Glorifies violence belief. It is needed to prove strength of a people. Use nationalism and racism. Dictatorships, Italy and then Germany became fascists. This is the photos of the Nazis in World War II and the map of their German Empire in 1938. How did World War II start? Germany invaded Poland firstly. Then Allies declared war on Germany because he invaded Poland. Germany then invades France, Belgium, and etc. Then Hitler invades Russia. Germans used Blitzkrieg to overwhelm other armies. Blitzkrieg means war in German. Surround with tanks and troops in trucks.
Who was on each side? Allied powers. The main leader is Great Britain, and the group consists of Soviet Union, United States, and France. Axis powers. The main leader is Germany, and his group consists Italy and Japan.
This is Adolf Hitler. One fun fact. Did you know Switzerland never got invaded by other countries even though katabi niya lang yung Germany? Bakit? Because marami ang mga bundok at mahirap i-invade dahil nakatira ang mga tao sa mga bundok, which makes it hard. What about the Pacific War? The U.S. mostly fought the Japanese December 7, 1941. Japan bombed Pearl Harbor in Hawaii to sink U.S. ships there. 2 hours, most U.S. Navy destroyed and 2,000 sailors killed. Japan surrenders after U.S. drops atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.